There is a snowstorm in Japan. The snowstorm is very bad. 13 people died and 1,500 people are injured. It snows a lot. 13 inches, 33 centimeters as snowfalls. The snowfalls on one area. The areas were hit by the tsunami in 2011. Some people cannot work. It's not easy to get to Tokyo Central. Many flights are cancelled. The strong winds take down the power lines. More than 20,000 houses have no electricity. The weather getting better. It will get warmer. Some question: how high is the snow? 13 inches of 33 centimeters. How is the weather in Japan? The snowstorm. Is the storm big? Yes, it is. How many people died? 13 people died. How many people were injured? 1,500 people are injured. That is a lot. Yes, it is. What was the areas hit by in 2011? The tsunami. Can everyone get to work? No, they can't. What happened to the flight in Japan? The flight are cancelled. Was it easy to get to Tokyo Central? No, it wasn't. What happened to the power lines? The strong winds take down the power lines. How many people had to electricity? More than 20,000 houses have no electricity. The weather getting better will get warmer. Is the weather getting better? It will get warmer. Yes, it is. The weather will get warmer. That's all.